grocery. Outside. Thanks. Afternoon.
Shopping center, man.
As I said, going to the grocery store again. And go look something to eat. Babe, say hey. Outside, outside. Outside. Y'all, we're at the Greater Portmore Shopping Center. Y'all probably can't see me, or me can't really see them, I can't see. Some of them know what I see from what I see.
And that same thing they are rich.
But we are going to the grocery store to pick up some snacks. So that's where we are today.
I'm going to pick up shopping on budget today.
Yeah. I actually want to do like a challenge.
Like budget challenge.
What can we get for $5,000 or $10,000?
$5,000 too much, that's like easy.
What can we get for $5,000?
$3,000 budget.
No, okay, so if we're gonna do it like that, we would have to say like cooking dinner for like
That's more challenging.
Or $1,000.
$3,000 hard for buy things, all on farm.
Or $1,000. Thanks. Un momento, por favor. Y'all, it's Easter. It's literally Easter. I don't know when Easter come, but Easter is here. See price, see People Dem?
Easter.
Jesus. Not bad still.
Depends on how much you eat.
You know, say me would have never see this price of a bun in Canada. That's all me know. It's cheese.
You know, I used to do it for cut, so. So,
Oi. Should I? Yes, baby, the nuggets them.
Fries.
We have. People, I go shop. I soon come here. I know someone wants to see, but I can't see right now because I focus right now.
You can't focus, but I want me vlog.
Alright.
Me video. For the people, see this? Hold on, me out of this.
Yeah, I think I'll just get this. And I have a sweet and sour sauce at home. Here now, $5.99.
Not bad. Yeah, not bad. Put it in.
Kind of bad.
And
I want to try the seasoned one. One of them there. Yeah.
The Caesar fries?
Yeah, because this is like a
Like how my boy.
No, this is like a
Island grill type of Caesar.
Yeah. Alright, snack time. This is our favorite aisle. This is all the People Dem ever want is banana chips.
Banana chips. Banana chips.
No. Y'all, do you guys see the price for these dips? $699, $7, okay?
Yeah,
my God. Y'all, again, I'll be back because I can't make up my mind when I'm here to figure out what it is that I want. I don't know what it is exactly that I want. So let me figure it out and come back. Because I get very confusion easily. You know what I'm saying, people? I can't focus on all this. Yeah, I can't multitasking when it comes on to food. You see me? So I soon come back. But I don't know why all my foreign stuff that I want is so freaking expensive. The other day I buy chips and dip. Look on how much for the chips. And look on how much for the dip. Okay, like $20 just for a snack. Sure. Grieve my spirit to see man. Grieve my spirit to see man. Sure.
Oh, they're on about this to see all the shoppers here. Not to the people, my friend. Just buy them, my friend. Not to the fans.
Yeah, crispy.
Alright, people, meet that. So we have Chinese restaurant. Introduction to the Chinese restaurant.
Sesame.
And I like Sakura she used to them.
Definitely not. And the sweet and sour.
Put that butter. Put that butter. No, they them.
I tell you, your vlogging skills so
Good. Come, no, I know she not go pan.
It's so. Can you friend people the sweet and sour chicken?
Well, everybody love camera in Jamaica. And this day and age. As a matter of fact, everywhere.
The what?
This
Everybody love
camera in this day and age. That mean?
Yeah.
No, no matter of spotlight, but you take picture with yourself, a video when you go up and look occasion, you know something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you're weird then. Exactly. So you're not afraid.
Except for her eyes only.
Yeah, but you do self. Oh, you mean? You don't post them? Oh, you have Instagram and them something like that?
Yeah.
That's right. I don't understand what you're saying.
Anyways, what if it's
Chong Lee. Fong? Fong Lu? Fong Lu Takeout Restaurant. See the people. Fong. Leave from.
No, it's not. Thank you. So guys, we're buying food. Let me show you when we reach home. So the tour I might go to Jamaica sometime.
No, we have a channel. When I got a cooking meeting. Yeah.
Alright, bye.
You better see it, them know now.
See you there.
Yeah, the Portmore shopping center.
Let's go there.
And roll the place. What's the popcorn them there?
Joe, nobody asks. Nobody don't ask you anything about that. He don't even know you. He don't talk about you. He doesn't even business about you.
I heard of the general.
So stupid. Am I going to the store now to go get what he wants and then we are going home.
Different food. I want to go Chinese.
Yeah, y'all. That's over there.
Shopping center.
Him support more and Portmore say him.
Right. Big,
You know support more?
Right.
Waterford.
Right.
This is where he's gonna buy food. So like shit.
Right. Right.
Oh, it's cool in here at least. It's a nice little ambiance, people. It smells good still. Buy me a piece of fried chicken. This looks like straw, but okay. Chocolate mocha. I can't go there.
Fried chicken is still pork. No, no want fish. Can't see fish. Fried chicken and pork. Still pork. Take my large one. How much you like on it? My friend there. See everything here.
Yo, this guy is the funniest when it comes down to ordering food, I swear to you. Him just order the food for himself and him, you want to hear him say, him want the lean part of the pork. The lean part of the pork. I'm going to ask the person where I collect the money if they're going to share out the food too, because you have to friend you out to get good spoon of rice and all them something in it. So.
Yeah, everything.
And then he says he doesn't love to talk. He loves to talk, you see, and there's a little bit of excitement. Telling somebody which part I pork you want a reasoning. Anyways, guys, after this we are go on. Showing everything. Anyhow, guys, that's all for today. Well, for right now till we're reaching. Yeah, I hate this. I hate Shoppers Fair, honestly, out of all the grocery stores I've been to. Like, their variety is not really a variety at all. I'm gonna like talk down or make it seem like I'm picky or anything like that, but
what the fuck, son? I know, say,
you spend your time on come to these places to go get stuff and
feel like at the time I'll come.
I don't think so, babe, because we've come morning, afternoon and evening. And
no, sometimes at the days
we've always come here to like say, alright, we're gonna do our grocery shop, and we can't ever grocery shop.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
we can't get everything.
Or something I do all the time. One or two.
And it's like basic things. It's like you should have this.
For instance, you know, them have sour cream. Them have ting.
How you don't have ting? Like ting? It's not like I'm asking for something foreign. Like it's ting. Go to look drive.
Different.
And go home.
We are just, preparing ourselves to go to that work.
Oh, I thought she was going to say preparing ourselves to go to that weekend lockdown. Bro got a lockdown the People Dem country, you guys. Starting this weekend. Friday place lock 12. Saturday curfew start 12 o'clock. Till Monday 5 a.m. You know him, babe? So then what? Me and a brownie. Exactly.
I'm done about 17 I go. 17, turn out. Yeah, man, if I want it. Yeah. Anyway, you can all turn all that stuff. Yeah, man, anyway, man. Anyway, man. Where could the face of them know when I'm out of them something? Alright.
So we get drive, as you can see.
17!
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, drive sanitizer.
Oh, shoot.
17! Which day?
This morning, me here talk.
Okay, I want you to marry a man to yes, Yeah, people, no guys. So this now our booby get. It's a booby's lunch for the day.
Sesame chicken, sweet and sour chicken,
It's rice
sesame. And noodle and bok choy.
Bok choy, fried rice. You know, I have a piece of fried chicken on pot, pasta, you know, and the stew. Yes, it's a see. I eat a thumbnail to you. Black comb, you know?
Bye guys, gonna eat and watch a movie.
Netflix.
Long distance loving, I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you I give